As a language model I do not have access to any physical classes or practicals, but I can provide information on physical education topic. Class Agui Physical Education Practical, Volleyball. Introduction. Volleyball is a team sport in which two teams of 6 players are separated by a net. Each team tries to score points by grounding a ball on the other team's court under organized rules. Objectives: to develop the skills of serving, receiving, passing, setting and hitting in volleyball. To understand the importance of teamwork in volleyball. To improve the physical fitness levels of students through volleyball activities. To inculcate the values of sportsmanship and fair play. Material required. Volleyball and cons. Instructions. Warm-up. Start with a warm-up exercise of 5-10 minutes, which includes running and stretching. Serving. The teacher will demonstrate how to serve the ball and the students will then practice serving. Receiving. The teacher will then demonstrate the correct technique for receiving the ball and the students will practice receiving the ball. Passing. The students will then practice passing the ball to one another. Setting. The teacher will then demonstrate the correct technique for setting the ball, and the students will practice setting the ball. Hitting. The teacher will then demonstrate the correct technique for hitting the ball, and the students will practice hitting the ball. Scrimmage. The students will then play a scrimmage game of volleyball. Cool down, and the practical with a cool down exercise of 5-10 minutes, which includes stretching and deep breathing. Evaluation. The teacher will evaluate the students based on their performance in the practical. They will assess the students on their skills of serving, receiving, passing, setting and hitting in volleyball. The teacher will also observe the teamwork and sportsmanship of the students during the scrimmage game. Conclusion. Volleyball is a great physical activity that helps in improving physical fitness levels and develops skills like serving, receiving, passing, setting, and hitting. It also inculcates the values of teamwork and sportsmanship. This practical session will help students to understand the importance of these values and improve their performance in volleyball.